Hi Hadiu, today we're going to draw a nice drawing of a continental bird flying in the sky. So let's start the drawing from the top. First we're going to draw the beak and the head of the bird. So this is the basic outline. We're first drawing, then we're going to put the detail shades and other colors. As you know, these birds, they're moving from one continent to another continent because of the weather. When there is lots of cold and the winter, they usually comes to the southern part of the world, and after the winter season they again go back to their own places. So hundreds of miles, thousands of miles, they just move, flying on their wings. All right, now I'm going to draw the long wings. So both wings are on top, as you know. This is flying high in the sky. So all the details I'm going to put in my drawing. Most of the time I'm using the freehand drawing style, so you don't need any instruments or other materials. Just free flowing lines in your hands, and you can draw any places, anywhere. All you need only a paper and a drawing tools like pencils or pen. That's it. All right, this is the wings on the other side. Let's put the same details. So you can see the basic outlines for the drawing is done. Now you can put some shades. So let's start from the bottom. All right, this is going to be a very light shade. As you know, most of the time these birds are usually of white color, so it doesn't have much colors. This is because it has the very less color, so the drawing is going to be with less color, and I'm going to provide few shades only. All right, just to outline the basic colors. Putting some shades on the top. Okay, It's looking good. Now few details left for the wings. So you can see it here. I am coloring the each segment of the feathers. When you put the color, you need to have patience and do the coloring step by step. All right. Also you can see that the details is going on for the other wings here. All right, so the bird is flying. We can show clear blue sky with the blue hatches like this. This shows it's flying on the sky. All right. So the drawing is done. I hope you like it. You can browse through the playlist and you can have lots of segments. We have lots of drawings in different categories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icon on to get the all updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.